This is Rob Leo, and in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at some new functionality in Flipgrid. Specifically, Flipgrid has added the ability to record your screen. This is great for students and for teachers. There's nothing extra the student or the teacher has to do, but they just have to be cognizant of where the functionality is. So we're going to click the plus sign to respond to a Flipgrid topic. And before we record anything, you're going to notice that there are three dots down at the bottom of the screen. These are your video options. You're going to click on that and you're going to select screen recording. And you're simply going to click start recording. I've set this up to be a 5-minute time limit behind the scenes as a teacher. So again, I'm looking at this from a student point of view. But I can click start screen recording, and then I'm going to share with you my computer screen. I have 2 monitors at the moment. Your students will most likely have 1 monitor. And although I can't see what's on the screen, I can pull something up so that the end user sees something on the screen. So if I wanted to present a slideshow, for example, I could talk about what I did, discuss my slideshow, go through my presentation, do what I normally do. You'll notice that I am in the bottom corner. The screen recorder is actually including me into this kind of screencast where it's a picture-in-picture style. When I'm all done, I'm going to click on this little pop-out window and return to my view, and I can either pause the recording or stop it. I can preview it. I can pull something up so that the end user sees something on the screen. So if I wanted to present a slideshow, for example, I could talk about what I did, discuss my slideshow. Looks good. I'm all set. I'm going to go next. I'm going to take my selfie. Of course, Flipgrid's best feature, you got to add some stickers. And once you're all set with your selfie, you can click next. Submit your video. So students can present remotely. They can record their own screens. They can do it all within Flipgrid. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.